It's here. So maybe you're just like me, wondering, should you publish on Kindle Direct Publishing? Is it really worth it? Is the quality going to be there? Is it going to look and feel like a real, in my case, children's book? Is it going to feel like an authentic, awesome children's book, or maybe a book idea that you've been wanting to get out there to the world? Well, in this video, I'm going to give my honest opinion about whether or not KDP is actually worth it after I myself just went through the process with the Brown Bear Book Club. And if this is your first time here, I want to welcome you to the Brown Bear Book Club, where we share books and activities for those who work with young children. So in this video, you're going to see the unboxing. First, I'm going to unbox it. You'll see that really quick right now. So this is my first ABC transportation book by the Brown Bear Book Club. So once again, this book was inspired by our oldest son who loves transportation books. I love how this book feels. It has the premium color interior option that Amazon offers. And so there we just put, it's dedicated to our sons Javen and Jaden. Our scripture, children are a gift from the Lord, and all the copyright. And then there is my first ABC transportation book. So we have A is for airplane, B is for bus, and it goes on. I think everything just turned out excellent. The letters are vibrant, colorful. The pages feel so great to touch. I love it. And it was totally free through KDP, and I'm so looking forward to more. And so it goes all the way to Z, and in the back, there's the alphabet again and some transportation activities. And then in the back, explore and learn the ABCs of transportation. And there's the Brown Bear Book Club. So I'll make sure I leave this in the description box below. And this is part of our reading adventure this summer. So, yeah. So is it worth publishing your first book on the Kindle Direct Publishing website through Amazon? I'm going to say absolutely yes. And I'm going to talk about the one thing I wish was different. But let's talk about the good stuff first. Good thing is the quality of the book was immaculate. I love the glossy cover. I love the color, the premium interior pages. All the graphics turned out just beautiful. KDP offers the template. So like, depending on the size of the book, it tells you a blank template. So when you're creating your book, so I created it through Canva, I was easily able to just type in those dimensions and start designing and creating this book. And so quality was there, customer service was helpful, any questions I had, the printing cost was not super crazy. And the only thing that I would change about it is the fact that it is a children's book. KDP right now only offers the ebook or the paperback. And so with children, you know that you have to kind of guard this book because you don't want it to get ripped and teared up. But I take it as a learning opportunity for children because we have to learn to be gentle with books anyway. But the only thing I would say is I wish that KDP offered hardback or board books, especially for the younger ages who desperately need it. But other than that, I love it. I'm satisfied. And we're going to be using this book for our summer project this summer, where we're going to be going on a reading adventure where each letter of the alphabet, we're going to actually go to those sites. We're going to make it a hands-on experiences. So if you're not following the Brown Bear Book Club on Instagram, or if you haven't subscribed to this channel, go ahead and do that. And let me know in the chat below, are you thinking about publishing a book? And are you thinking about publishing a children's book or perhaps a book for adults? Let me know in the chat below. But yeah, so I just wanted to share this experience with you as a positive experience, and I'll see you again another time. Bye, guys.